In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat on Wix Studio. If you've decided that the floating chat bubble isn't right for your site right now, maybe you're simplifying the design, or you don't have the team to monitor live messages, turning it off is quick and clean. You'll do everything directly inside the Wix Studio editor, and it only takes a moment. Start by locating the chat element on your canvas. It typically appears as a small chat bubble, often near the bottom corner of your page. Click it once to select it. When it's selected, you'll notice the usual selection outline and a small toolbar or contextual options that confirm you've got the right element. If you're working on a page with overlapping layers, you can also click in the Layers panel and choose the chat element there. The result is the same. The chat component is selected and ready for action. With the chat element selected, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as More Actions. Click that icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Uninstall. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. That's it. The chat element is removed from your site layout, and visitors will no longer see the chat bubble. A couple of quick clarifications to help you feel confident about this change. Removing the chat element from your site does not delete any past conversations from your inbox. It simply prevents new visitors from seeing or using the chat widget on your pages. It's also reversible. If you decide later that chat would be helpful again, you can re-add it from the Add panel or the App Market, place it back where you want it, and customize its settings just like before. For a smooth result, take a moment to glance at your site on different breakpoints, desktop, tablet, and mobile, so you can confirm the chat bubble is gone everywhere and your layout still looks the way you want. If you're collaborating with others, you might let your team know the chat is disabled so they don't expect live messages to come in. And if your workflow involves staging and publishing, remember that changes you make in the editor appear instantly there, while your live site reflects them after you publish. That's all there is to it. Click the chat element, open the three dots, choose Uninstall, and you're done. Clean, simple, and ready for whatever comes next in your design.